you feel like when you get home from work, you drop your bag and crash straight onto the couch, completely drained? You mostly sit in front of your computer, replying to emails and jumping from one meeting to the next. But by the end of the day, why does it feel like you got hit by a truck? You're not lazy, weak, or broken. Modern work is designed in a way that quietly steals your energy. By the time you get home, you feel mentally wiped, physically restless, and crave mindless distractions just to survive your evenings. In this video, we're going to explore why this happens, the hidden energy thieves that you probably don't notice, and practical steps to reclaim your energy, sharpen your focus, and enjoy your evenings without extreme routines or unnecessary stress. Before you can fix the problem, you have to spot what's actually causing it. Constant multitasking, endless notifications, emotional stress from meetings, even sitting in bad posture for hours can quietly chip away at your energy without you noticing. It's like having a bunch of apps running in the background, slowly killing your battery. When you start paying attention to what actually drains you, mentally, physically, and emotionally, you can finally start taking back control and stop wasting energy on things that don't deserve it. One practical way to uncover these hidden drains is by keeping a simple energy journal for a few days. Note the time, what you were doing, and how drained you felt on a scale from 1 to 10. Patterns will emerge, showing you exactly which moments steal your energy. Once you see these leaks, it becomes much easier to adjust your day, reduce interruptions, and protect your energy. Not all energy drains are obvious. In fact, it's often the small, repeated annoyances that wear you down the most. Think constant phone notification, messy desks, uncomfortable chairs, bad lighting, or even background noise. These things might seem harmless on their own, but they slowly chip away at your focus and mental clarity throughout the day. It's like having tiny holes in a water bottle. Your energy leaks out without you realizing it. The good news, once you spot these silent stressors, you can start taking back control. Even a few changes, like silencing notifications for a while, taking short screen breaks, or creating quiet pockets in your day, can free up more energy than you'd expect. It may sound strange, but sitting all day doesn't give your body a rest. It can actually make you more tired. Your brain stays on high alert, constantly scanning for tasks, messages, or deadlines. Your body, meanwhile, stiffens, your blood flow slows, and muscles tighten. For example, think about a long bus or train ride where you sit for hours without moving. You're not lifting anything heavy or running around, yet by the time you get off, your legs feel stiff, your shoulders ache, and you feel strangely drained. That's the same effect happening when you sit still for too long during the day. You can fight it by giving yourself small pauses throughout the day. Stand up and stretch, walk to refill your water, or close your eyes and for a few deep breaths. Even just 1 or 2 minutes of movement or mindfulness gives your body a chance to reset. Over time, these tiny interventions reduce overall fatigue and make your evenings feel less drained. One simple way to boost your energy and motivation after work is to give yourself a daily bright spot. One meaningful task or activity you look forward to each day. The key is that it feels like a reward for your day. When you know there's something you genuinely enjoy waiting for you, your brain shifts from exhaustion to anticipation. Instead of dragging through the evening, you'll feel more excited and purposeful, making it easier to relax and enjoy your downtime. It could be anything: a short walk, cooking a favorite meal, reading a chapter of a book, or even just spending focused time on a hobby. Having this bright spot gives your brain something positive to focus on and creates a sense of accomplishment, which can help recharge your mental energy. Decision fatigue is real, and it's a major hidden drain on your energy. Even small choices, like what to wear, what to eat, or which task to do next, take mental energy. The solution is not to try to make yourself more disciplined. It's to reduce unnecessary choices. One practical approach is creating default decisions. For example, pick a weekly meal plan, so deciding what to eat every evening doesn't become a mental battle. Another idea is a simplified wardrobe, or a work uniform that removes the stress of choosing clothes each morning. You can also organize your work tasks in advance. Instead of constantly deciding what to tackle next, create a clear priority list each morning. This way, your brain can focus its energy on deep, important work, rather than trivial choices. By minimizing decision fatigue, you preserve your energy for the tasks and moments that truly matter, and your evenings feel lighter and more manageable. Most of us think we're recharging. When we scroll through our phones, binge shows, or lie on the couch, but those things often just numb us, not truly restore our energy. Real recharging means doing things that actually help your mind and body recover. Try experimenting with different methods. Spending 10 minutes outside in natural sunlight and fresh air is scientifically proven to boost energy and improve mental clarity. You can do some sports or even spend some quiet time without a screen. The goal isn't to cut out rest, but to rethink it. Ask yourself, does this activity leave me feeling better afterward? If not, it might be time to redesign how you unwind. The key is to pay attention to what leaves you feeling lighter rather than heavier. Another reason evenings feel drained is that we go through the whole day without giving our brains short recovery periods. Even 5 minutes of mindful pause can make a huge difference. Micro breaks are short intervals where you step away from your work, stretch, breathe deeply, or even just look out the window. Research shows that taking these mini pauses improves focus, creativity, and mood. You don't need to meditate for an hour. Just stand up, roll your shoulders, or do a few deep breaths. The more consistent you are, the more your brain starts to anticipate these mini breaks and uses them as energy boosters. Over time, these small pauses accumulate, and by the end of your day, you feel significantly more refreshed than if you had pushed through without a break. How you end your day is just as important as how you spend it. If your evening is chaotic or unfocused, your energy never fully recovers, leaving you groggy and unmotivated the next morning. A wind-down ritual signals to your brain that it's time to relax and restore. This could be dimming lights, turning off notifications, putting your phone away, or playing calming music. Combine this with a consistent bedtime routine, like a warm shower, reading, or light stretches. The ritual doesn't have to be complicated. Its purpose is to create a predictable, soothing pattern. Over time, your body and mind begin to associate these actions with rest and energy restoration, making it easier to wake up refreshed. A simple habit, like jotting down what went well during the day or planning tomorrow in advance, also reduces mental clutter. Your brain can fully disengage, knowing tomorrow's tasks are already organized. This ensures that your energy resets fully overnight rather than leaking into the next day's morning. Before ending this video, we again say that your energy is valuable, so protect it, use it well, and make the most of your time. You don't need a total life overhaul to feel better after work, just a few smart shifts in how you manage your time, space, and energy. Small changes today can lead to big results tomorrow.